What's up guys, Random Bracer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Spigen rugged armor case for the all new iPhone 10. So of course without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So it's been a while since I reviewed a Spigen case here. They provide pretty good high quality cases for a very good price, and in this case here we're going to check out their rugged armor case. So checking out the rugged case here, it seems to be a beefed up TPU style case for the iPhone 10. Pretty easy to install because it is a TPU style case, and I do have to say Spigen still has that reputation of providing really good form-fitting cases. Anyways, taking a quick overview of this case, what it has to offer. Starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with this TPU material wrapping around the entire bezeled border of the phone. On the sides, you have covers for your volume rockers, a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, as well as a cover for the power button, and they're very easy to press and still feel like an actual button. So apparently on the iPhone 10, if you hit the power button like 4 times, it triggers an SOS. Did not know it could do that. Anyways, continuing on with the overview, we have 3 individual cutouts on the bottom here for your lightning port and stereo speakers and mic. And finally on the back of the case here, you have this kind of carbon fiber texture on the top and bottom, a cutout for the Apple logo, and a pretty precise cutout for the camera and flash. Overall guys, for a TPU style case, it's pretty well crafted and very well designed. Normally with a TPU style case, you kind of feel like there's a bit of wiggle room, especially around the sides here, but Spigen did a pretty good job designing this case to be very form-fitting. Doesn't feel like there's any give or wiggle to any part of the case itself. Because this TPU is also very lightweight, and it almost looks like a hybrid style case thanks to all this detailing that they have on the back here. So overall guys, I'm pretty impressed with this case. I'm not the biggest fan of this carbon fiber look on the top and bottom here, but for those of you who like what this case has to offer as well as the aesthetics, then you definitely can't go wrong with it. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, not a huge fan of the Apple logo here that's completely exposed. Granted, you can have a skin on it, but I think they should have just covered it up with the black material. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a rugged TPU style case for your brand new iPhone 10, you definitely can't go wrong with the Spigen rugged armor case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.